welcome to the Brick Freaks. After this semi-professional speed build, we have him here, the Lego Overwatch Wrecking Ball set, available since the beginning of October. Set number is 75976, 227 pieces. Here is the instruction booklet. There are 2 building steps, 82 pages, and there are no problems with the instructions. Typical Lego, quite easy to build. And I love this model. It's really cool. We have 2 prints. This here is a print, and that's nice because it's round, and to get stickers correctly on a round piece, it's always annoying. And we have this here. That's a print too, a really big one and a really cool one. I don't like the red axle here, but what should I say? It is what it is. So give me a second to okay, this here is a sticker, this here is a sticker, this, and the 2 round tiles with the controls for the hamster are stickers too. This here is on a round plate, and this is meant to be sitting in front of it. And here we have the very cool, unique hamster figure. And isn't he cute? He's really awesome. A really awesome and cool minifig. Okay, I show it to you once again. I never have played Overwatch, so I don't know the original, but this here, what Lego has done, is really amazing. It looks awesome. I like the look and the functions of this little mech ball, and I love this cute hamster. Oh man. Okay. You see this lift arm here? This is a mechanism, you see, to slide the hamster. The 2 cannons here, machine guns, you can fold easily in. You can fold this here down, you can fold this down, and then you're folding in the legs. We are sitting here on the joints, the ball joints. So if you fold everything in, you have nearly a perfect ball. Down there is a normal plate, sorry for that. So yeah, it's not perfectly round, but it's sturdy, don't feel fell apart, so that's really cool. Here he is again in fighting position. It's such a cool model. There's only one thing I don't like, and these are the orange ball joints here. I believe black would be the better decision. And the 6 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 stickers, 2 printed pieces. Yeah. Once again, I turn it for you. I love it. Like I said, I don't know the game, but I like the mech, the look of the mech. I like the hamster. I like the idea of a genetic engineered killer hamster in a round wrecking ball droid. It's cool. It's really cool and looks awesome. So this is Lego exclusive. Since the 1st of October you get it on the Lego online shop or in the Lego stores. I bought mine in Hamburg because I was on vacation there. And I was there on the, what was it? On the second day they sell them. And I asked the store manager, they haven't sold one. I was the first customer for this set. I bought two, one for Phil. And it looks, I don't know. I don't know what is going on with Overwatch, if Lego is going to end the series, but all retailer can't order any more of the Overwatch sets, not the old one and not the new ones. They're Lego exclusive and perhaps Blizzard exclusive. I don't know what the future brings for Overwatch, but I believe 20 bucks for 227 pieces, and it's a licensed theme. It's a fair price. You get two really cool prints, 6 stickers, a very cool hamster, and this thing is absolutely unique. So if you like it, go and buy it, because nobody knows how long Lego will sell this thing and how long Overwatch will be in the portfolio of Lego. Nobody knows, so go and get it. I will buy the other new Overwatch set, the Biker, Junkyard and something else is the name. I will buy the set too, next month or something. When I have enough money for Lego, I will buy this. But so I decided first to buy this awesome set. Yeah! This function is so cool. Sometimes it stucks a little bit. It goes always up, but sometimes it stucks or it hangs when you want to move it down. Okay, this is, you've seen everything. Okay, you can't, the cannons here, they go only this angle here. They don't go up and down. That would be a little bit more, I believe, realistic, but so it's okay. So go and get this. I love it. I hope you like it too, and you see a little bit or enough to give you an impression if the set is something for you. Okay, I'm Frank from the Brick Freaks. Have a nice weekend and a good time. Go and buy this set. Bye bye.